Hey Plotter pals, I'm Cameron Sutter, one of the creators of Plottr. It's a brand new year. Today I get to tell you about our first release of the new year, which has some features you've all been waiting for. First, Search and Replace, which has been highly requested, will help you find things in your project and easily do things like change characters' names. And manually reordering characters, places, and notes with drag and drop makes it fun and simple to organize your series Bible just the way you like it. Let me show you how they work. I've got our Three Little Pigs demo opened up, and we're going to play around with the search and replace and have a little fun. So there's a button up here for searching, or you can also use the keyboard shortcuts of Control F or Command F to open it up. And then we're going to search for Mother Pig, see where she shows up in the story. And you can see this gives you an organized list of where in the project it'll show up. There's in the project tab, and if I were to click on one of these, it'll bring me there and highlight where it's found. Go back to search. It's in one of the notes here, so if I click that, it shows you where it is in the notes and so forth. It'll take you anywhere in the project that it finds that word. So if you're working on your story and you know that you had a note somewhere, for example, about, let's say, hard work. So we can search for the word work here and go to notes, hard work versus laziness. There we go. I know I had a note somewhere about hard work. So I can open that up very easily. And it makes it very easy to navigate your project and find important pieces of your story or of your series very quickly. Now we can have a little fun with this also, and we can easily replace words as well. So we can replace, let's say, the word wolf. We're going to search for the word wolf, and everywhere it says wolf, we're going to replace it with chicken. So here we can choose to select all the instances that it finds everywhere in the project. So now we've got it everywhere, and we're going to replace the word wolf with chicken with one click. And now everywhere it said wolf, it now says chicken. So the wolf is now renamed chicken, but of course we don't want that, so we're going to put that back. And anywhere now that it says chicken, we're going to just change that back to the wolf. The chicken strikes back. We love that. But we're going to change it back to a wolf. So replace, and now he's back to being the wolf. And now the second feature I want to show you in this release is being able to drag and drop your characters, notes, and places to reorder them manually. So we can just take any one of these characters here, and if we wanted to drag her into the antagonist, if we do that, we can see that she's been changed to a different category. We can make her a main character. She's now a main character, not only between categories, but also within your category. So we could drag her down, and now she's at the bottom here. We could put her back in supporting, and we can reorder them as we see fit. You can also do that with your notes. Let's say I want this one over here, or maybe the wolf one at the top. We can do that. And for places as well, we can just reorder them with drag and drop. Makes it very easy to put things the way that you like them. I hope you love this release. Please let us know what you think in the comments. We love your feedback. There's a lot more coming this year, so be watching.